going to do a product unboxing, and I'm not going to tell you what it is just yet, but clearly somebody wants to be a pizza box recycle. So I thought I'd show you the exterior of this box so you can get an idea of the size. And now we'll take a look at actually what do we have in here. So we've got the box opened a bit. The I want to be a pizza box is open, and we'll take it off, and you already have a pretty good idea of what this must be with the big letters HP. And so now let's take a much closer look at what do we have here. Well, it came from Best Buy, so I can tell you that. And it is an HP Pavilion x360 convertible PC. So it's a 2-in-1, and as you can see, it has a really good size solid state hard drive. It's a 256 gigabytes. It's a Core i5 CPU. So we're trying to get something here that'll last 5+ years. It's a Windows product, so it's Windows 10. 14-inch screen, and I like those. I think those are a good size. Of course, it's a touch screen. So let's open it up and see what we got in here. Well, this is an ecologically good carton. There's not a whole lot to it. It's all corrugated. So let's see what we have inside. You could see that we have two styrofoam or whatever that particular material is. So let's get that out. And here we go. Of course, I took it out upside down. So what do we have in this box? We, of course, have the power cord, the brick, simple, warranty, and setup instructions, which nowadays are pretty simple and straightforward. We'll take a look in a second and see what configuration we have here, and see what we have for outputs and inputs. So here it is, silver. Again, as I said, it's 14-inch, so it's I think it's a really nice size. It's going to be used in school. So, and here we go. So there it is. Let's look at what we've got here. We've got a simple power USB port. I believe this is a 3.1 USB port. On the other side, we have a full-size SD card slot, so that's really nice. This is a USB-C type plug. If I remember right, this is, however, not for charging. And then we have USB, an HDMI, and a lock. Underneath, there's really nothing. So this is really nicely done. It's doesn't have a lot of stuff all over it. Not a lot of hinges or anything like that. Air vents are there. You can see the two hinges to make this a 360, and it's a Pavilion. What else do we have? Let's open it up. Oh, the screen is a nice size. So looks like the speakers are up here, and really nice looking, sharp looking, easy to hold. It's lightweight, and isn't that nice? And whether you want to put it in tent mode, perhaps watch a film or whatever, you could do that. You have tablet mode, and of course you have the standard laptop mode. So the keys feel good, they travel well. I like that. So we're going to just kind of plug it in. I'm not going to set it up because this is going to be a gift for somebody. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like. I did make a bit of a mistake before. I think I said that this was power, but this is actually headphone jack. So that's really nice, because nowadays it's hard to get those, especially on phones. So I see here there's a fingerprint reader over here, which is nice. And it's 1080p. It has Bang & Olufsen speakers, and the i5 is a quad core. So you could do a whole lot of work on this nice little laptop. Interesting is that, I don't know how well you could see it, but up here on the keyboard, that's actually the power switch. So the power switch is one of the keys on the keyboard. So I've just started it up, and again, this is just an unboxing. I'm not going to set this up for anybody, but it's, as I said, very nice. Backlit keys, and the top set of keys are really nice, whether it be airplane mode, power button, as I said. So there's a nice string
Hi there. I'm
keys.
Cortana, and I'm here to help.
And it looks like Cortana is willing to help us set up.
There,
so
and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
So we're not going to set this up
Use your voice
right
or
now.
the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator.
Well, we're going to go ahead and shut this off.
Enough intro. Let's dig in.
And it's off. So
your region is set to the United States. Is that right?
I am trying to shut it down. I think I finally did. So this is the HP Pavilion 360, X360. Really sharp looking, as I said. Easy to carry around, easy to hold. Keys are great on the keyboard. Attachments, as I said, everything really that you need is on there. And just the dual hinges for the 360 mode. So very, very good.